Hello everyone and welcome to this course on Dagger2 Dependency Injection in Android applications. Since dependency injection has become pretty much a standard for Android development nowadays, it's very important for every developer to understand how to use it in the proper way in their applications. Unlike most tutorials out there which only show you the basic functionality of Dagger2, this course will go into much more depth and we will discuss all aspects related to Dagger2. Here is a tentative list of topics discussed. This is not a complete list as many of these topics include adjacent topics that we will also cover at the right time. So we will go through basics like various types of injection, runtime injection, annotations, components, scope, and much more. We've tried to make this course as complete as possible to give you an exhaustive understanding of the topic. So not only will you know how to implement Dagger2 in your apps, but you will also become an expert at it. We will also implement all these concepts in practice so that you get a clear understanding of how to use them. Then, of course, we will also have a course project. After all topics are discussed and implemented in an app, we will start again from scratch and show you a different example of how to use Dagger2. 2 projects are better than 1, and this way you'll get more experience with the topics. We will start with an existing app that displays a list of countries that it retrieves from an endpoint. Then we will implement Dagger2 in this app to show you what advantages it brings in an existing app. Finally, we will extend it and implement more of Dagger2's features. At the end of the course, you will have 2 working apps that you've built using Dagger2. We have an excellent instructor for you in this course. It will be taught by Nazar, who is an expert Android developer with over 10 years experience in building apps and leading teams of Android developers. He has kindly agreed to put together and teach you this course and share his knowledge and expertise. So without further ado, let's get started and learn about dependency injection and Dagger2.